Ahoy mate, Bob here. Let's take a quick look at the overhand knot. We've got the various forms we're going to look at. It would be the simple overhand, the slipped overhand, the multiple overhand, and the oyster knot. The primary purpose of the overhand knot is to secure the end of the line and prevent the individual strands from unraveling. The knot is also used to act as a stopper knot. The slipped version, you simply tie the overhand knot, but instead of bringing a working end through, you simply bring a bite up through the loop. That way, to release the knot, you simply pull the bite out and the knot will fall out. The multiple overhand knot makes for a more decorative knot if needed. Simply wrap the working end 3 times and then pull the ends to form the knot, and then work the knot down to dress it. And then the oyster knot, you actually tie the overhand knot around the standing end. The easiest way to do this is do a double twist on the bite, then form a bite in the standing end and bring it up through the loop. And then simply pulling on the bite and the working end to bring down the overhand knot around the standing end. From then, you'd simply take the working end, pass it behind the standing end, and then from the top to the bottom through the bite. Work out the slack, and that'll leave you with the oyster knot. This forms a little bit larger knot if your hole or your shackle that you're preventing the passing through is too large for the simple overhand. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.